Hello friends, welcome to Mizzu's world. Today it is Global Hand Washing Day. Today I am going to teach you two things. One is how to make an hand wash. Second is how to wash our hands. Let's go to the video. Friends, now I am going to make an hand wash. The things you need is an soap. You can use the leftover soap. Wow, it smells good. Now we should grate the soap. Grate, faster, grate. Now it looks like carrot. And my brother is saying that he also wants to eat the carrot grates. Wow! Isn't it great? Now we should put these soap grates to the hot water. If you are using 50 gram soap, you need to take 1 liter of hot water. If you are using 100 gram of soap, then you have to take 2 liter of hot water. Stir until it dissolves. Cover it with a lid or a plate. Then rest it till 7 to 8 hours or a whole night. Now let's take a look of our hand wash. Then we have to blend it. Blend. Look, the hand wash has been like a slime. Wow, it's super creamy. Me and my brother loved mixing the hand wash. Look, my brother is also mixing it. He also loved the feeling of the hand wash. You can also use the electronic blender to make it faster and easier. My brother is also trying to blend like me. Now we are going to fill the dispenser. This is my friend Little Snail. Friends, now I am going to teach you the method of hand washing recommended by WHO. Now we are going to clean our hands. First, wet our hands to remove dust. Now take some hand wash from the dispenser. Then rub it as shown on the screen. Rub your hands with hand wash. Rub with the hand wash for at least 20 seconds. Need a timer? Just sing the happy birthday song from the beginning to the end. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday That tickles me. Now open the tap with your elbow and wash your hands with water. After washing your hands with water, wipe your hands with a towel or tissue. Now it's finished. Now my hands are germ-free, bacteria-free, virus-free. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment your opinion and share with your friends and family. It's me, Mizzu signing out.